Hello students, today we are going to discuss the third question of the same exercise, that is exercise 1.1. So let's start solving the question. Insert comma suitably and write the names according to the Indian system of numeration. क्या करना है दिए गए क्वेश्चन में? We need to insert commas. कॉमास पुट करने हैं, बट कैसे? अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन एंड वी नीड टू राइट द गिवन नंबर इन वर्ड्स ऑल्सो. So let us first quickly understand what is Indian system of numeration. We know that in Indian place value system we have 4 periods, okay, and we insert commas according to the places, like the first comma should be placed before hundreds place, second comma is there before 10,000s place, third comma is there before 10 lakhs place. That is, we form first group of 3 digits, second group of 2 digits, another group of 2 digits. Now, let us understand what is international system of numeration. In international system of numeration, we have 3 periods. In Indian as well as international place value system, the first period is common. So, in international place value system, we form groups of 3 digits. So, here, this is the first group. This is the second group and the third group is as shown to you. In international place value system, we insert commas according to the division of groups. So, first comma is there before hundreds place, second comma before 100,000s place. So, in international place value system, we put or we insert 2 commas in between the digits. And in Indian place value system, we insert 3 commas to mark thousands, lakhs and crores. Now, let's get back to the question. Here, we need to insert commas and we need to write the name of the given number according to the Indian system of numeration. And we know that in Indian system of numeration, we form groups of digits like 3, 2, 2. So, let's start grouping the number. Here is the first group, the second group and the third group. So, the commas will be, first comma will be there before 7, second comma will be there before 9 and the third comma will be there before 7. Now, first period is of ones. Second period is of thousands, third period is of lakhs and fourth period is of crores. So, how will you read this number? 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. I hope this question is clear to you. Let's solve one more similar question. Isn't it a big number? But now, you can easily solve it. So, let's get started. First comma, where should I put the first comma? Before 7. Second comma will be there before 3. Third comma will be there before 8. Now, this is the ones period. This is thousands period. This is the third period. And the fourth one is of crores. Now, let's start reading the number together. The number is 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. I hope you are very clear in writing the names of the number according to the Indian system of numeration. Now, let's solve another question. Here, we need to insert commas suitably and write the names according to international system of numeration. So, let's start grouping the digits. In international system of numeration, we form group of 3 digits. So, first group, this is the second group and this is the third group. So, how will you insert the commas? First comma will be there before 0. Second comma before 9. Now, we will name the periods. First period is of ones. Second period is of, correct, thousands. And the third period is of million. Now, isn't it easy to read this number according to the International System of Numeration? Yes, it is. So, let's start reading the number together. 78,921,092. Now, let's solve one more similar question. Here, again we have a very big number. What we will do? What is the first step of solving? We will insert the commas. So, first comma will be there before, correct. First comma will be there before 1. Second comma before 9. Now, name the periods. First period is of ones. Second period is of thousands. And the third period is of millions. So, how will you read this number? 99,985,102. So, I hope you are very clear in writing the names of the given number according to the International Place Value System as well. So, let's meet in the next video with some more good questions. Till then, keep studying.